After dealing with SignalRGB crashing myself and spending days testing different fixes, I eventually identified several methods that actually work, and I will walk you through them now. First, a clean reinstallation of SignalRGB can often solve the problem. Think of it like giving the program a fresh start. Old, corrupted files or settings from before your RAM upgrade might be causing conflicts. By completely removing the old version and installing a fresh one, you ensure all the program files are clean and correctly configured for your updated system. This often clears up hidden software problems. Next, updating your chipset and RGB controller drivers is super important. Your computer's drivers are like instruction manuals that tell your operating system how to talk to your hardware, like your new RAM and your RGB devices. If these manuals are old or missing pages, your computer might struggle to understand your devices, leading to SignalRGB crashing. Updating them ensures everything speaks the same language smoothly. Third, adjusting your RAM settings, specifically disabling XMP or DOCP profiles, can make a huge difference. These profiles are like special speed boosts for your RAM, making it run faster than its basic settings. While great for performance, sometimes new RAM modules or motherboard combinations do not play well with these boosted speeds, especially after an upgrade. Disabling it ensures your RAM runs at a stable default speed, which can prevent crashes. Finally, checking your Windows system files and compatibility can be crucial. Sometimes Windows itself can have corrupted files or settings that prevent applications like SignalRGB from working correctly. Tools like SFC ScanNow and DISM Restore Health help fix these internal Windows problems. Running SignalRGB in compatibility mode can also help if the program struggles with your specific Windows version. These steps ensure your operating system is healthy and ready to support all your applications.